That tap-to-pay habit for coffee, groceries, gas, pretty convenient, right? But is your credit card working for you or secretly working against you? Certified financial planner Chloe Moore, founder of Financial Staples, shares how to make everyday credit card use a tool for building rewards and credit, not debt. Using your credit card for daily expenses can be smart. You're earning cash back or travel points on stuff you were buying anyway. Moore calls these benefits a rebate for purchases you would have made without the card. It's also a great way to build credit if you pay your balance in full every month. But here's the catch. That plastic magic makes it easy to overspend. Moore warns you're likely to spend more when using a credit card than with cash, and you're more likely to buy on impulse. The interest you rack up from carrying a balance wipes out any rewards you're earning, and fast. Not ready to swipe daily? Start small. Moore suggests using your card for fixed bills, like Netflix or your phone bill, then pay it off from your checking account. In her words, making a credit card payment weekly or when you receive your paycheck could help ensure that you pay your balance in full. Think of it like credit card training wheels. Earn rewards, build credit, no crashes. So yeah, points and perks are great, but only if you're not chasing them into credit card debt. Use Chloe Moore's tips to swipe smart, not sorry. Got a money question? Head to gobankingrates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.